and click on OSX host. Once that downloads to your Mac, it should look like this here in your downloads folder. There's my VirtualBox download. Double click on the downloaded file on your Mac. Follow the steps on how to install it. If you are prompted to accept any security to make sure the Mac can install it, go ahead and do that. First step is you just double click on this virtualbox.pkg file. It'll say this package will run a program to determine the software is installed. Click continue. Install. Put in your Mac password. It's now going to install the VirtualBox on your Mac. Now successfully installed. I'm going to move that to trash, those files I downloaded. Exit out of the installation screen. Now I'm going to go to my application, Go applications on my Mac, and I should have VirtualBox now available. When you open up VirtualBox the first time, it'll ask you to give it rights, and then you can watch the next video on how to install Windows 10 using VirtualBox. Make sure before you watch that video, or when you watch that video, it'll have you download the ISO that you'll need to install Windows 10. All right, hope that helps.